Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we learned about various types of optical disc. Today we will see all other types of storage devices like flash drive, memory card, etc. So, this is the classification diagram for secondary storage device. These are divided into two. First one is sequential access device and another one is direct access device. In sequential access device, magnetic tape is there, while in direct access device are classified into three. First one is magnetic disk, another one is optical, and the last one is memory storage. In magnetic disk, there are various types, but most popular are floppy disk and hard disk. Optical disk can be CD, DVD or Blu-ray disk, while memory storage can be flash drive, memory card, etc. So, let's start to discuss one by one devices. First one is magnetic tape. Magnetic tapes are used for large computer like mainframe computers to store large volume of data and for longer period of time. It consists of magnetic materials to store data permanently. The size can be 12.5 mm to 25 mm wide and 500 meter to 1200 meter long. It look like a cassette tape recorder. Clear? Next one is floppy disk. It is an outdated one, but we have to know. It is a circular disk coated with magnetic oxide, enclosed within square plastic cover. It is available in two sizes, 3.5 inch and 5.25 inch, but the most popular is 3.5 inch, which is used to store 1.44 MB of data. Now, the most important one, that is flash memory devices. Flash memory devices is now replacing magnetic storage devices because it is economical, more functional and dependable. Before going to discuss various types of flash memory devices, we have to know what is flash memory. So, flash memory are non-volatile solid state storage devices which uses NAND flash memories. And these NAND flash memories are used to store data. It consists of millions of transistors. Clear? So, first type is memory card. We easily see in our mobile devices. Okay. Another one is memory stick, developed by Sony, used to store data for digital cameras, camcorders and other kind of electronics. Because memory stick is developed by Sony product, it is used only for Sony product, not for all. This is an disadvantage of memory stick. Other important device is SSD. It look like a hard drive, but more compatible. Why? Because SSD has no moving parts. Due to this, it is very advantageous like faster access time, noiseless operation, higher reliability and power consumption. Another type is USB flash drive, or mainly known as pen drive. It is again used to store data that includes a flash memory with integrated USB interface. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Due to this, these flash drives are removable and rewritable, small, durable and reliable. And again, all these positive points are based on which? Due to no moving parts. That's why these USB flash drives are mechanically very robust. Other than this, nowadays, due to cloud computing, we can think of another storage device known as cloud storage. What is cloud storage? It is a storage where data is managed remotely and made available over a network. We have to pay as per our use and consumption. I am not going into detail because it is not the curriculum of 9th class. Another type of storage are paper storage that can be punched card or OMR. Punched card are nowadays obsolete, but OMR are still in use. Punched card is a simple piece of paper stock that can hold data in the form of small punched hole. How data is defined? The presence or absence of holes in predetermined position. Whereas OMR stands for optical mark recognition. We easily see whenever we go for some exam, we get a sheet known as OMR sheet, in which we have to darken some circle, and that circle are readable by OMR machine. Okay. So that's all for today. Today we learned sequential access devices, magnetic disk, memory storage devices, modern storage and paper storage. I hope now you have some concept about various storage devices. In the next video, we will see input-output devices in detail. Thank you so much.